Hey everyone, I'm so excited to be delivering this week's special edition of the weekly wrap-up and celebration of Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. We're here in Chef Pennington and Miss Revis' Culinary Arts Kitchen, where students are busy preparing Thanksgiving pies for Metro Tech faculty and staff. Thank you to everyone who ordered pies from our Culinary Arts program this year. They have successfully raised more than $1,500, which will go towards activity funds such as FCCLA and Skills USA trips. Another special shout out to Graphic Design for designing this awesome box that the pies will be delivered in. After I give a short rundown of this week's news, Culinary Arts student Darsha Wright is going to show us how to assemble an apple pie that is perfect for any holiday meal. Yum, yum. But first things first. The Community Outreach and Wellness Department successfully raised over $1,900 for this year's Dennis Portis III Bedlam Food Drive. On Wednesday, the team presented a check to the Northeast OKC Community Resource Center in partnership with the Regional Food Bank and the Northeast OKC Collaborative. Thank you to those who took the time to donate this year. Dr. Portis' personal mission was to ensure nobody went hungry, especially during the holidays. Your donations are going to help feed numerous families in our community this season. Also, for the season of giving, Mr. Ryan Patton was able to deliver numerous coats, hats, and other winter supplies donated by Metro Tech students, faculty, and staff to the Homeless Alliance of Oklahoma City this afternoon. Thank you to everyone who took the time to dig through your closets to help keep those in need warm as we get further into the cold winter months. And so we're at Metro Tech Get Cooking, and here with Darsha. How are you doing today?
I'm good, and you?
Thanks for letting me hang out with you today. And you guys are doing a project right now.
Yes, sir.
Baking pies. People are able to order them online.
Yes.
They completed the ordering process, and now we're baking them.
Yes, sir.
So what's the first thing that we do here?
The first thing we're going to do, we have our apples and our filling here. And
Okay.
we're going to have you take the apples and put into the filling.
Okay, and so
And
we'll
you
just
just-
dump it in here.
Yes, sir. And
Will
we
you
just
do this? Yeah.
mixing in the apples with the pie filling.
Okay,
which would
so
be-
the pie filling has what in the pie filling
It has
for everyone?
nutmeg, cinnamon, sugar, flour, and a little bit of lemon juice.
Is it your secret recipe?
I wish it was.
Oh, okay. All right. What's your favorite part about the culinary
I
program?
like it all. I like learning new things because it's a lot of things I didn't know until I came into the program, and then like being able to make different things as far as like decorating it and knowing how different textures should be versus what I didn't know before I came into the program. So it's pretty good.
Good. All right. So am I good? Is that
Yes,
is that a
sir.
pretty good mixture?
Yes, sir. Then you can just add it to your pie. Pie crust.
What's your favorite part about Thanksgiving?
Just being with family and friends.
Okay.
The time you get to share with people.
Nice.
And then, of course, a good meal.
Of course, a good meal.
Yeah, it makes people happy.
And a good dessert.
Yes.
Now that we have our pie, what's next?
We're gonna move to the lattice.
Lettuce or lattice?
Lattice. What's your favorite holiday?
So my favorite holiday, I would have to say, is Thanksgiving, because the memories I have of going to my grandmother's house growing up in North Florida, and always enjoyed doing that and being with friends and family, much like what you said. You know, that's what it's all about.
Can't
is
go
friends
wrong
and,
with it.
friends and family. So these pretty pies, about how many pies are you guys making for the customers? How many
We're gonna
pies?
make 145 pies, and it's different pies.
Okay,
Yeah,
what kind of pies are you guys making?
We're making apple, of course. We have butter pie. We have pecan. We have peach,
Oh, wow.
and then we got pumpkin. That's about
Okay.
it.
And then I understand that we have some boxes that were prepared by our, not marketing and media, by
Graphic
our
design.
graphic design.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Supposedly
this
they had a contest?
I believe so, and this is made by Maggie Brown.
Okay.
So she did a really good job.
She did. That is great.
We're just gonna start layering. them onto the pie. I like to, how I start mine off is I just put them on top.
So what do you do when it's kind of sliding off like this?
You just leave it because you have to come back across with the other ones that you have.
Okay.
You just leave it in. Then with this one, just go under, over, under.
Yeah, I think I failed this part of the class. Okay, and then for this one,
you're gonna go over, under,
under. All right.
And I like to close it up with a fork, and I just take the end of the fork.
And then what do we do with the excess?
We take it and we cut it with the scissors.
Oh,
Take off all the extra.
All right.
That's
Good.
for sure.
So what was your decision to choose Metro Tech and to do this program?
When I was in school, like I always wanted to come to Metro Tech, but I put it off.
Okay.
And now that I got the opportunity and my mind is like really focused on it, I decided to come on.
So love, it's timing and it's good timing.
Good timing.
And we're grateful that you're here.
Yes, I'm grateful to be here.
And so did you ever think when you signed up that, hey, for Thanksgiving, I'll be cooking 145 pies?
No.
So the finished product, so beautiful crust, beautiful color. What gets the color like this? So you put like butter on it on top or anything like that?
You put like an egg wash on top.
Okay. All right. And that gives you that brown, nice baked look. And about how many will that feed, one pie?
That'll feed, depending on how big you slice it, it could feed up to 8 people.
Depends on the stupid me, of course. It depends on the size of the slice. All right, let's try this together. Okay, so apple pie, Metro Tech for life.
Metro Tech for life.
Oh wow, that is
go wrong with
so
it.
good. Homemade apple pies here at Metro Tech. What an awesome opportunity to give back to the community and to be able to get real world practice. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.